What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we're making a chorizo breakfast burrito. Got some really good pork chorizo here, some hash browns, veggies, eggs, got everything. So let's go ahead. We're about to get started on the hash browns and the veggies. So we got the griddle warming up over here. I got these two burners on high. This one is all the way low and this one's all the way off. Let's mix this oil around. Throw some butter in here. Boom. Every time I do hash browns, you got to throw some butter in there. I feel like that's what gives it that nice golden brown crispy deliciousness. All right, I'm just making one burrito here, so I'm kind of guessing at the quantities that I'm using on some stuff. It's about a cup and a half of hash browns, roughly. All right. Now, let's just mix this stuff up. I want to get that butter all over it. Let's go ahead and mix in a little bit of salt and pepper. All right. Boom. Mix that stuff up again. I love that smell of fresh pepper. Alright, now we're going to just spread it out. Actually, I'm going to keep it up here a little bit more. Want to get a nice crisp going on that. Then we're going to mix it up and get it going some more. We're also going to throw on the veggies. I got 2 Serrano peppers, just cut into slices. Get them seeds in there. We got a little storm coming in, it looks like. We got some onion and orange bell pepper. Now this is way too much veggies, I know that, but you can always have extra veggies. I love just grilled veggies. Alright, let's mix that stuff up over here. Get some of that oil and a little bit of that butter in here. Boom, we're just going to let this stuff cook up as well. Give it, and I'm going to put some seasoning on, but not yet. I don't want to put too much salt and pepper because I want to put my everything bagel seasoning on. So yeah, we're just going to let the stuff cook up for a minute and bring it right back. So these hash browns are about halfway done. I'm just mixing them up again. Just let them finish cooking, and actually what I'm going to do, keep them up top over here. I'm going to move these veggies. These veggies are just about done as well. Keep them right there. Keep them going. Let's get going on the chorizo. Alright. Now this is a 9-ounce tube of chorizo. I'm going to use at least half. Alright. See what that does for us. Get at least half of it in there. Stuff's going to cook up really fast. My griddle's super hot right now. Yeah, it'll be fine. Just one burrito. It's a lot for one. So we're good. Let's keep that over here. Let's chop this up. Baby, smell that. Let's get that cooking up. Gonna get some real nice grease off that. Pork chorizo is my favorite. I've had the soy, I've had the beef. This is definitely the best of the three to me. Might not be to everybody, but oh yeah, look, it's starting to break up now. Ooh, it's starting to get a little crazy. I'm gonna turn this down a little bit. We're gonna go to a medium. I was all the way high. All right, let's see how we're doing on this stuff. Oh yes, that is getting me. These are looking good. So as soon as the hash browns are done, I'm gonna mix not all the veggies, but some of them with the hash browns and the chorizo with the hash browns. And yeah, we're getting pretty close then. Got to do the eggs. Oof. So the chorizo is done. Look at that. We got a nice little char on one side. All right, we're just gonna put that right in here with the hash browns. We're gonna use about half of the veggies. I'm gonna get the other half over here to the side. Throw a little soy and teriyaki on there. That'll be an amazing little snack. All right, yes, look at all them colors on that. Some hash browns. Boom. Now I'm just gonna set this stuff to the side. Let it just chill, marinate together for a minute. Boom, look at that. Whew, that is gonna be so good. Get over here. All right, now I'm gonna clean up a little spot right here for the eggs. Actually, I'm gonna turn these two burners all the way off. Turn all my burners off right now. And yeah, gonna clean up a spot, get the eggs on. All right, got a spot clean right here. Gonna put a little bit more oil. Get that all around. We're gonna throw some butter down. All right. Now let's see. I'm not sure where we're at right now. Let me check on the temperature. I like to do my eggs around 250, but I mean, do what you gotta do. Get that butter all over. All right. Let's see where we're at right here. It says 345. And we'll be fine with that. So I got 4 eggs right here with a little bit of half and half. So we're just gonna mix this stuff up. I'm not gonna, you know what? Yeah, I'm gonna. Just gonna completely beat them all. I kind of like to do it when I'm just cooking eggs, where I don't fully beat them all the way so some of the white comes through. All right, that's good. Now I got my seasoning right there, we're good. Let's do it. I mean, see that? These eggs took literally like 45 seconds to cook. We're good to go. Need to get some seasoning. Love me some everything bagel seasoning. Let's get it on the eggs. Let's get a little bit over here. This is gonna be good. All right, so the eggs are done. I like to, I mean, you can put them in chunks on there. I personally like to chop them up so it's more like crumbly. But man, these things are fluffy. Ooh, baby. All right, let's build the burrito. All right, burrito shell on. Ooh, just gonna warm that thing up a little bit, get it nice and pliable. Put some of these ingredients in there. Ooh, man, I'm so hungry. Go ahead and give it a flip. You only need like 5-10 seconds on each side and you're good. So then I'm gonna take it off there, and I still have these burners on low. Take it off there, put it on my cutting board. Let's build. All right, boom, got a burrito. Put that thing seam down, right like so. Now I am gonna add a little bit more cheese to this because I love cheese. I'm gonna get that all melted up on that. Boom, let that seam get good. Whew. All right, so it's been under here for about 1.5 minutes. Let's see what we got. Ooh, look at that cheese melting down. All right, let's go. All that cheese. My gosh, look at that. Man, this looks so good. This cheese on top is nice and melted. I did let it cool because that thing was way too hot. Let's dive in. I love some chorizo. I'm out of paper towels. The chorizo with that mixed with all the veggies and everything, got a nice little crunch on those veggies. Not too much, not too little. Ooh, onions. You could always use some hot sauce. Pour a little hot sauce on there. That would be amazing. Eggs are nice and fluffy. This is bomb. Hash browns, you got a nice little crisp on them. Let's try this. Fried cheese. Man, there's so much good stuff about this, and it's really easy to make. Man, that's all I got. Can't stop eating. Get in, eat my burner, and thanks for coming by. Appreciate it. Hit that thumbs up if you liked the video. Let me know if there's something you want me to cook. Yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.